Morning students, today we will continue our reading. Okay, so this is your content book. Open page number 27. Okay, so today we will read what are the effects of push and pull, means what a push and pull do. Okay, so students, before starting our reading, let's revise what we studied in the last class. In the last class we studied about push and pull. I can explain you with an example. When you are opening a door, it means you are taking the door towards yourself. That is a pull. यानी कि open करना door को, that is a pull, खींचना. And when we are closing the door, we are pushing the door. Okay students, so push and pull. Pull is when we take something toward us, जब हमारे तरफ किसी चीज को खींचते हैं, that is a pull. And push when we move something away from us, that is a push. Okay students, then push can change the shape of thing. Okay, as we all know, like we have a sponge. Okay, and if we push the sponge or squeeze the sponge, then what will happen? The shape of sponge can change. Okay students, and one example I have, like I have a rubber band, and if I am stretching this rubber band, I am pulling the rubber band, so shape of rubber band will change. Okay students, then we will study that the push and pull can change the speed and direction of the moving things. Okay, so students, a force push and pull can also cause changes in movement. It can stop moving things, it can slow things down, it can speed things up, it can make things change direction. Okay students, so I can explain you with a example. Yes, there is a game of football. Okay, and boys are playing football in the ground. Okay, this boy is pushing the ball with leg, okay, with a force. Then what will happen with this ball? This ball can move. It means direction जो है और movement start हो गया इस ball में और इसकी direction change हो गई. Okay, so it can start moving by pushing. Yes, by pushing it. Number 2, suppose a football is moving and a boy come and put a leg on the moving ball. Okay, ball is moving and a boy come and put the leg on moving ball. What will happen? Ball will stop. It means when we apply a push on moving thing from top, that ball will move, that ball will stop. Okay students, number 3, this ball is moving from this direction. Okay, ये यहाँ से ball आ रही है and boy is standing in the ground and push the ball, okay, in this direction, then the ball will change the direction. Okay students, means the ball is coming from this direction and a boy push the ball in another direction, then the pushing can change the डायरेक्शन ऑफ थिंग. ओके बेटा, सो जो पुश एंड पुल है वो डायरेक्शन और मूवमेंट चेंज कर देता है किसी भी चीज़ का. लाइक इन अ प्ले ग्राउंड, अ बॉय, number of boys are playing football in a playground, but in number 1 picture a boy is pushing the ball. What will happen? The boy will move, means push and pull help in movement. Number 2, moving ball, a boy put the leg on moving ball with a push, means pressure. What will happen? Ball will stop. Number 3, moving ball, a boy push the ball in other direction, then push can change the direction of thing also. Okay students? Yes students, आपने वो टॉय देखा है, मूविंग कार एंड ऑल? वो मूव करती रहती है, एंड व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग योर हैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट टॉय, व्हाट विल हैपन, दैट टॉय चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मूविंग. ओके, इट मीन्स push and pull change the speed and direction of moving things. Okay students, for example, when a player hit a tennis ball, the speed of ball increase. When a footballer catches a ball coming toward him, it stop the moving ball. Okay students, so read this page carefully and understand the concept of push and pull, and we will meet in the next class. Bye, take care.